Hi guys! Today we are going to unbox this. What's this?
I don't know.
Glucose tester and
This
blood monitor. Automatic blood monitor.
and also a blood checker.
Black checker?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you excited?
Yeah. Can
Actually, we buy this one at sales price. We buy only the blood monitor and this glucose tester is free with this blood monitors. So, let's try it.
Jamie will open. Jamie will open.
Okay, Jibber will open the box.
Oops. Ah.
And it's my baby.
It's sticky. It's sticky, mommy.
Mommy will help.
Okay.
Can I
Oh.
Pull more.
It's high blood. High blood.
Daddy high blood.
No, this one. These blocks are high blood.
Okay. First, we're going to open this
Mine.
digital blood pressures
Ow,
monitor.
Ow, 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 ow.
Daddy, speak.
Ow, ow, ow,
You open now.
Tagalog.
Okay,
Okay, Tagalog only.
ow,
Ouch.
ow, ow, ow.
JB.
Ow.
Are you excited to? Oh, don't put in your hand. It won't fit.
Oh, Jamie, you open now.
Ang brand niya is Trister, which is blood monitor. Digital blood pressure monitor. It is automatic. Pwedeng ma-record yung blood pressure and monitor ang test ng dalawang person within 60 memories for 2 person.
Yay.
Yeah. So, are you going to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, you open.
Ay. What is in here?
What's in here? What we got there?
Batteries.
Oh, we get 4 free batteries.
Again.
Again.
Oi. Let's upside down.
Okay, and we have here the
What's
manual.
inside? That's what's inside.
Oh, slowly. We have here the manual.
Look!
How to use.
Look, something inside. There's something inside there. Look, it's stuck. It's stuck. Mommy, can you help?
Oh, we have the monitor.
No, it's not monitor.
Yeah.
It's blood
And
pressure.
this is arm cuff. Pwede rin natin gamitan ng adapter for saksak. Pwedeng masaksak
Where's the battery?
electric, or we can use a battery.
Wow. Where's the
Here.
battery?
Okay, I'll go first.
Battery
Okay,
here.
Mommy.
That is gonna put the battery. And we have also free storage bags. You will be our nurse for today. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Okay, we will try this one to Daddy. Okay?
Okay.
Mhm.
After me, I can put here, okay?
Okay.
then-
We should remember, lagi nating tandaan, before we use this blood monitor, hindi pwede tayong mag-exercise, bathing, and eating within 30 minutes before using this one. And before we use this one, we should sit in a calm environment. Magpahinga
What's
muna
this?
tayo and do not stand while
Hey,
testing.
can you?
We have to at least sit and relax para accurate talaga yung result nito. Avoid speaking and moving the body parts while testing. Wait 3 minutes or longer before retest. Pag hindi ka satisfied sa result mo, you want to retest again, you have to wait at least 3 minutes. O pwede dito ma-store yung mga result mo nung previous day and the other day. Up to 60 memories ang nasa stored ng 2 person dito. So, if you can see here, this is you can see the pulse rate. And this is the time. You can see the time and the date. You can set this one para makita mo yung record. Para ma-record yung time at date ng pagkuha mo ng blood pressures. Oh, we can now, if like this, then we can start. Pwede na natin start
Ow, 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 ow.
na iset yung time. So, We can set the time by this one. The down one is the month. Ang sa taas is the time. So, we have to po set 10. Sa top, 8, 9, 10. This is AM, so we have to continue. 3, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then, set to go to sa minutes.
Mommy,
7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, baby.
it looks like a bandage.
10:32 p.m. So, set para mapunta sa date. Now, it's the date is month. Then, set again para sa day. And this one, itong cuff, ikakabit natin dito.
It's sticking on the table.
We can, dito siya. And then, now it is ready to use. Make sure, if you put this one, that the index must be in the okay position. And artery, this is the artery mark. So, make sure that you put in the right position. May mark naman siya, artery mark. And then, dito, index is on okay position. So, go. Now, let's start. Okay.
It's squeezing.
Just relax.
It's squeezing.
Make sure naka-relax siya and hindi nakatayo and avoid the movement. Then, we press the start. So, may vibration. It means nagsa-start na yung test sa kanya. And nare-record din ito. So that you can compare sa mga next day or the next week na result. Oh. Pag mag-beep, ibig sabihin tapos na yung test. Ito na yung result. 155 over 80. And the false rate is 76 per minute. Ito na yung record niya, which is pwede mo ma-save and ma-compare within the next day. Itong result. No need to waste your time, pupunta ng clinic or whatever. You can do it any time of the day. Then, let's do
boxing and
boxing. Not boxing. You do boxing? Okay, let's do the unboxing for the next one.
can we open
So, next we are going to test your...
blood pressure?
No, we're already finished the blood pressure. Next, this is the
The
blood glucose monitor system. Are you excited to open it? Yeah. Okay, try to open it.
Okay, I'm gonna open.
Okay, I already removed the stickers. It's in your hand. So slowly, and go. Wait, slowly.
What's inside?
Okay. And
Inside.
ito po yung box
Mommy,
niya.
something
This is glucose monitor. Wait. Ito yung glucose monitor. Automatic din siya na you can do it by yourself. You don't need to go to clinic or hospital para i-check yung glucose mo.
Mommy, it holds
So, yeah. What is inside? We have the...
backpacks.
No, that's not a backpack. We have here...
Let's open.
Oh, there's a
what's
warning.
Inside.
Wait.
No.
Before you use, check the code number before testing. Code number on meter display should be matched on the number strip vials. We have the user manual, of course, and then this is called carrying
Don't
case.
get it.
Carrying case, okay? And then next we have, this is Trister meter.
Mommy, guys are right.
And then we have
Two,
lancets.
and we have 2 batteries.
Yeah, and we have 2 batteries for the testers.
Can I put it on me?
Trister test strip.
Okay,
The
and then,
next, lancing device.
sabi dito, we need to check the code sa Trister meter at saka sa test strips, dapat same yung code. Make sure na same yung code. So, yung code dito na lumabas is number 8. So, number 8 din dito. So, correct ng code. Then, what we have to do, we have to check on the manual what we're going to do next. Wait, we have to remove first. First, we need to insert this test strips. Make sure yung printed na sa taas, dito. And i-push natin all the way hanggang hindi na mag-insert. Hanggang hindi na siya makakapasok. Okay na siya. And then, the meter test, nag-automatic siya on. Then next, we have to get the blood sample using the lancet device. This one. Blood sample sa finger. Make sure na makakuha tayo ng blood samples at least 4 microletters para enough siya na para sa test. Okay, next we have to
I'm
insert
going to insert the lancet.
Insert the lancet firmly on the holder until it comes to full stop. Insert until it comes to full stop.
Okay.
I can see you, Daddy.
Okay, go more. Ito full stop na.
See you.
Okay. When the lancet is placed in the placing device, twist off the protective disc.
Yeah.
Ay,
Make sure don't dispose this one kasi magagamit mo pa ito ulit mamaya after mo gamitin yung lancet para i-protect yung needle doon. Now we have to recap it again and turn it clockwise until it is fit.
Now,
Fit na siya. And then next stage. Okay, dito may mga numbers so dito yung mga numbers so we can adjust this one according to the dip ng kailangan natin. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then next, draw back until it releases it. Okay?
how?
But make sure first we have to set, okay, number 1, number 2.
But how, Mommy?
There's number 1. We can twist this one and we can set from number 1, number 2, number 3. Ito yung indicator niya. And number 4, 5. According sa deep, kung gaano karami na blood yung gusto mong kunin.
Mommy?
Draw box until it click, okay, and release. You hear the click. Place the lancing device carefully on the tip of your fingers and press the release button. Ito, lagay mo dito itong lancing device and press this release button. Ito siyang release button, this one. Oh, place na in your finger and release so that you get the blood.
I don't want blood. That's
Play. Nothing? Oh, now there is a blood now that we can use to test. Make sure dito lang siya sa gilid. Here in the side. Then it will go inside. Make sure this one, huwag mong ilagay, don't put in the top. Make sure in the side only. And then the beep sounds tumunog and then
Ay.
nandyan na siya. Yan na yung result automatic. Don't put the blood on the top. Make sure sa gilid lang. You put your hands like this and then the blood will go there inside. And the result come automatically. Within 11 seconds or within seconds, makikita mo na yung result.
we did 11 seconds, I think.
Yeah. So, 140 to 180, it means nasa range pa siya. So, normal. Congratulations.
Mhm.
But you have hypertension. So, you better stop and make a diet na. So,
True or dispose
this is the wrong way. Don't put the blood in the tub because you cannot get the results. So, this is the correct way. Sa gilid lang siya dapat. And then, automatically, the blood will go inside. Diyan sa yellow strips. Until 100 the result, ma-record dito. So, pwede mo siyang ma-recall by pressing this one, how many result you will get. Later, so, 1 pa lang siya, isang first time pa lang trinay, kaya isang result pa lang. Basta dito mo lang siya titingnan para ma-get mo yung mga previous result mo. Okay? So, this is really helpful kasi hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa clinic. You can do it anytime pag may nararamdaman ka sa katawan mo. So, what we're going to do next? So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to
subscribe, watch our channel,
and
and
hit the notification button to get updated with our latest video.
Mommy,
This is Vlad. Say bye, guys.
bye.
This is for
What
sugar
is that
and
red? What is that
sugar
red?
checking, no?
That's
Yeah,
that
this is
red.
for sugar
What is that
checking.
red?
This is blood.
Sugar and cholesterol, I think that's it. What is the
His
message?
dress. What's that in
Glucose.
your dress, Daddy? That looks like a
Glucose. Glucose blood monitoring. This is sugar.
So my sugar is okay, normal.
Sugar is okay,
But
only the blood pressure.
is slightly high.
So,
I have to do the dieting exercise to maintain my blood pressure,
okay.
to bring in the life,
Okay.
to live happy, healthy life. Thank you, my wife.
So, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for
To
watching.
check everything.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell button.
Bye.
You will be the nurse of Daddy. You can do it now.
Oh, I need to wash my hands.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.